Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you these keycaps real quick that we got to be able to label our keys at home and in our offices. So right here is kind of a little just instructions on how to use them. Basically, you just take out this little paper tab that's on the inside, write your name on it or whatever you want to label on it, and then stick it on the key, and then you slide this over the key, and you've got your key labeled. So just go ahead and show you these here real quick. As you can tell, they come in several different colors. You've got black right there, you've got some yellow, purple, got some blue, got red, and then we've got green also. So multiple different colors to choose from. And then, as I mentioned, you take these little labels out of them, and then you write here on the front what you want to label it, stick it on the key, and then you would just slide this over the top of the key, or slide the key down into it like that, down in there, and then you've got your key labeled. So just wanted to show you real quick. They do have these little clear windows in the front of them, so once they're labeled, just kind of protect the label a little bit, but that's basically it. Pretty simple.